Okay, guys, so one of the things that we're going to utilize in this class is our Google Drive. And in order to get into your Google account, if you don't know, most of you probably do, you're going to go to www.google.com. I'm already there, so you're not going to really see the same thing. But right here in this area, there's going to be a sign in button. You're going to sign in with your GISD credentials, meaning your GISD email. Mine happens to be Stephen Lewis at gisd.org. You're just going to be a little bit different. You're going to use that same password. And once you're in, your little identification marker here is going to pop up. You might have a picture if you're fancy, and if not, no worries. And if I click on this right here, this is the Google Suite, very similar to the Microsoft Suite. Except we tend to use Google in this class. So what you're going to do today is you're going to go into here, click this, and then you're going to go into Drive, okay? And what I want you guys to do in your Drive is to create a folder for our Spanish 2 or Spanish 3 course, depending on which one that you're in. So if you're in Spanish 2 Honors, what you're going to do here is hit New, and then we're going to hit Folder, okay? And we're going to name it Spanish 2, and then your first and last name, okay? And I'm going to do one as well. And then I'm going to hit the Create button. So I've created this folder. It's going to populate in this list. You might have lots of folders, and I would highly suggest that you've got one for each class. So when I come here, what I'm asking you to do for this assignment is to share. So anything that we work on in this course, I want you to place inside of this folder. Okay, so if I want to share it, I'm going to right click here, hit the share button. Now here's the big deal, guys. When you share this with me, you're not going to share it by sending me an email. You're going to share it by turning in a URL, which is basically a web address from your file. But here's the big step. It says restricted right here, and we need to change that. And so the way that we change that is we're going to do people in Galveston ISD, all right? And you're going to make me an editor, which means I can go in and actually edit the documents and the work that you put in there. Most of that stuff I'll do through Canvas. However, I still want us to have that. So if I go into here, I'm going to change this to editor. It's anybody here. It's not restricted. That restricted is gone. I've got it. And I'm going to copy this link. Once you've copied this link, what you're going to do is this particular assignment, you have to copy that link into the URL to share with me. That's it. All right, guys. Great job. Look forward to talking to you.